I would go to Mars because I know that it is something that would define the future of humanity. My name is James Sherry. I'm the Deputy Director and Chief Innovation Officer here at TRISH, the Translational Research Institute for Space Health. We source and seed the best emerging health technologies for future health and for space health. Space health is unique, so we have a very robust and vibrant healthcare market in North America and in the world, and that's driven by need. In space, it's somewhat unique because all of the people are pre-screened. So instead of having congestive heart failure or diabetes or pregnancy, you have peak health individuals that are screened out of congenital issues. And so the different needs are entirely different in scope. There is a lot of overlap though. So for instance, anxiety, how we eat, how we perform, all of those are unique to space, but also very applicable to all of us. So it's somewhat different, but in a lot of ways very much the same. We are a cooperative, a partnership with NASA. So NASA funds TRISH, which is a consortium of Baylor College of Medicine, MIT, and Caltech. And collectively, we work to fund technologies through grant funding and open solicitation. TRISH Industry Program is focused on the ever-changing and very, very volatile collection of small, medium, and large companies that meet the needs for healthcare in North America. TRISH's act to find the best emerging things that actually have the best chance for helping humanity, things that we know are going to be applicable to NASA, and then we help translate them to NASA. A good 80 to 90% of our activity will always be open and fair solicitations. There will always be things that are readily available, but within a focus or a topic. That topic will challenge humanity. It'll be ahead of the market. It'll be something that is driving change. The most of those submissions will then go through an external review process, and that will happen every year kind of in the summer or spring. If you have a technology that is applicable to space, then we want to hear about it. We want to try to encourage things that may not have known that they could apply to space. When we partner with funding, we actually meet with you monthly, encourage follow-on funding, so we try to partner long-term. Companies benefit by working with TRISH for a number of ways. It's non-dilutive federal capital. By TRISH funding, somebody is able to do some R&D that may not be directly path to market and will allow other investors to consider this project validated. Also, it allows the intellectual property to retain with the company. We encourage all of our companies to have success. We try to line up other investors. And then lastly, a path to government sales. So what we try to do is translate our technologies into the NASA validation pipeline, which includes analogs and things like the International Space Station, and we help provide funding for technology to be radiation shielded or miniaturized, something that allows it to be more attractive, and that allows for potentially not just NASA sales, but potentially Department of Defense or other areas that might be of interest. So TRISH invites those that want to help humanity go to Mars, and that can be either companies looking for funding from us or partnerships. If there are things that can work with us to amplify our activities or to co-fund with us or to tackle some of these challenges, we absolutely encourage them to find us. Companies and partnerships that would like to find us should find us through our website, and that is at bcm.edu/spacehealth.